Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
In today's video, guys, if you have a Chevy Cruze, guys, and you're experiencing oil leak, guys, we will show you one of the most common ones and also where the oil cooler is located, okay? How you can think that it's an oil pan leaking, but actually it's the oil cooler. Stay with us, we'll explain where the gasket is. That's a weak spot on a high miles Cruze, guys. So, we've been taking this thing apart quite a bit. We'll have more than 200 videos. Why? Because our goal, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and please drop a comment below with your recommendations. Now, we took so many things apart, I'm going to even remove the front bumper and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So give me just a second now. Okay, bumper is coming out now. I'll leave it here and let me show you guys what we have now here. This Chevy Cruze, guys, okay. This is the oil cooler right here. If you're wondering where your oil cooler is located, this is where the oil filter goes to. This is the oil cooler. It's right behind the catalytic converter and the exhaust manifold on the front side of the engine here, guys. And you may think, okay, well, you know, I have an oil pan leaking, but it's not, guys, the oil pan actually leaking. Because you'll be right there, it will be dripping off the side of the oil pan, but it will leak from two gaskets. Okay, there is two gaskets, one here and one over there. These two gaskets, guys, are on the oil cooler and they're extremely easy to leak. When they get old, okay, that gasket turns into plastic, guys. Let me pull that thing out. It doesn't flex anymore. It's not thick like it should be, and that's where you can develop an oil leak, really bad oil leak. And the one over here as well, these two spots, that's a very common, guys, thing. Now, in order to remove and replace, okay, that oil cooler and the gaskets, the whole video, guys, it's actually on our main channel. It's called Auto Repair, guys. Check it out. The whole video from start to finish. It will probably take you about 30 minutes to do it if you know what you're doing. You don't have to take everything apart like we did here. You can see we have the radiators removed. This is because we wanted, guys, to gain more room and show you actually where things are, because otherwise it's practically impossible for us, guys, to show you where things are on this car because everything's so cramped up. So hopefully, guys, if you have an oil leak or you're trying to locate the oil cooler and the gaskets, which is a common problem on those, the video will be helpful to you. If you want to see any specific video, don't forget to drop a comment below. We'll try our best to make a video for your problem. Also, some of our subscribers may even answer your questions, guys. So thank you for all the support. Thank you.
Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.